begin, we'd just like to make appearances before the court. My name is Vivian Eubanks, and I'm here today representing the people of the state of Midlands. And I'm joined by my co-counsel, Bailey Arlinghouse, and Christiana Morgan.
Hello. Good afternoon.
And we would invite opposing counsel to do the same.
Good afternoon, Your Honors. My name is Stephanie Henschel. To my right, or to my left, is Ms. Jaleesa Harris, who will be giving the closing argument in today's case.
Good afternoon.
To my right is Mr. Chris Sample.
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
He will be giving the opening statement in today's case. Together, we represent the defendant, Ms. Whitney Bowman.
And before we begin, we just have a few pre-trial matters to address. First of all, we'd like to present Your Honors with the copy of the character evidence form signed by both parties prior to trial. And also, Your Honor, if it's all right, we'd like to provide you with a copy of the Midlands Rule of Evidence, Midlands Penal Code, motions in limine, special instructions, and stipulations, just for your reference.
Your Honor, we've seen those documents and we have no objections.
Furthermore, Your Honor, we would request constructive sequestration of all witnesses except for party representatives here in the case today. And at this time, we would also designate Officer Francis Campbell as the prosecution's party representative.
Any objections?
No objections to their party representative. However, we do have a party representative as well, Ms. Bowman.
Okay, aside from the party representatives, consider the other witnesses sequestered.
Also, Your Honor, we would request free movement about the courtroom within reason, only asking permission to approach the witness.
Yep.
And last, Your Honor, we would direct the court's attention to special instruction number 14, which allows us to refer to a demonstrative specifically of the map of Rochdale, as long as it's the unmarked copy, for demonstrative purposes only without entering it into evidence.
Pursuant to that special instruction, we have no objection to that, the use of that map.
All right,
And with that, Your Honor, the prosecution is present and ready to proceed.
very good.
Your Honor, the defense does have one further matter. We have an objection pursuant to the AMDA Rule 8.12. Because objections are not allowed to be made during opening statements, we have an objection to a demonstrative that opposing counsel does intend to use during their opening statement. It is a copy of the wristbands that were provided in the case packet. However, opposing counsel does not intend to enter those into evidence, does not intend to authenticate them through any witness here in trial, and so we do have an objection to those being used in opening statements.
Your Honor, if it's all right with opposing counsel, we would use them for demonstrative purposes, and then if there is an objection, we may lay foundation and enter those documents into evidence during trial, if that would be acceptable.
So it sounds like there is an objection. Do you plan to create information and enter those?
Yes, Your Honor, you can.
So long as they're going to be entered into evidence, I think we will allow them to be used.
Yes, Your Honor. And with that, the defense is ready to proceed as well.
All right.